Do you want to know how you can watch only Hindi language video on Prime? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can watch movies and series on Prime which will only appear on Hindi language or the Hindi movies. So go ahead and open Prime Video and log into your account and go to the search bar to search for Hindi. After you search for Hindi, you can see there are a lot of Hindi series and movies, so you can go ahead and look at these. So you can see there are only Hindi language available and you can watch your most favorite movie or series in Indian language. So guys, this is how to watch videos or movies or any type of TV shows in Hindi language on Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.